Hey guys, I found out some interesting news. Well, remember earlier, the past few months, I found a birthday bomb, and it turns out I got scammed. It turns out the seller that was selling the birthday bomb accidentally gave it to the wrong address, and now I will never get my hands on it because the people that got my package won't respond to the person that was selling the plushie. So, yeah, I finally got information about that, and it sucks really bad because I did not want it to get to Redbirds. But that's life, I guess. But I guess it's okay because I might be getting new Angry Birds soon. All depends. But yeah, see ya.